Hi guys, after iOS 26 update, Apple has launched many new features to your iPhone. So if you have downloaded and installed your iPhone with iOS 26 update, a new feature is Ask ChatGPT about on-screen content. Take any screenshot of any photos, simply press and release the iPhone side button and the volume up button at the same times, and here at the bottom left corner you will find the option Ask. Tap on Ask, where you can pose a question to ChatGPT about the screenshots content. So tap on Continue, and here type any question about this photo on screen content. Simply I will type what is this photos, and tap on Send, and you can see it's working, and after some few seconds you will find its photo related this explanation. This screenshots from a driving simulations game where the player is delivering as part of a learn. So you can easily ask ChatGPT for your on-screen content. What is this on-screen content after iOS 26 update on your iPhone? That's all.